What's up guys, my name is Dom, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing something kind of special. We're gonna be putting on some rock sliders on my Jeep Wrangler. These are gonna be great for side steps. I got them from Quadratec. They were about $310 after a 10% discount. I'm by no means a professional. This is the first time I've ever done this. I just hit all the bolts with some PB Blaster, so hopefully that loosens them up. Pretty sure it's a straightforward installation. We'll see how it goes. Let's dive into it. So here's what it looks like. I believe this is the passenger side because it has the two that are closer together and the one that's spread out. As you can tell underneath the Jeep, there's a mounting point there, here, and all the way up there. The instructions say to use a 16mm impact driver, deep socket. There's 2 bolts per side. That's what they look like. Hopefully they come off easily. We'll see what happens. I've got them rough mounted right now. They still utilize the body mounts, so you're gonna hook them in there. Then underneath, you're gonna re-bolt them down to the 2 side bolts that are there. Now we go through and tighten everything down. The manual says to tighten it down to 40 foot-pounds of torque, but I do not have a torque wrench. I'm gonna tighten it down until it's tight and call it good for now, until I'm able to get a torque wrench. That's it. This is what they look like. These are the Quadratec QRC Rock Sliders. I got them mostly because I wanted side steps, but I also wanted some protection just in case I would go off-roading. Next step is to do the same exact thing on the other side, and that'll be it. what the driver's side looks like. As you can see, they don't stick out too far. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a like. Also comment down below if you like these rock sliders and what kind of rock sliders you have on your Jeep. Make sure to come back next week for another video, and I'll see you in the next one.